Canadien 2025.
Captain Clapp previously flew the CC-130 Hercules in a search and rescue role and the Harbor 2 as an instructor. She brings over 3,800 hours of military flying experience to the team. Now anchored in the inner left wing position is Snowbird 3 Captain Patrick Charette from Montreal, Quebec. Captain Charette is a former CP-140 Aurora pilot with over 3,300 hours of military flying time.
First line of stern pilot is